Your time is valuable, so in this video, I'll explain how I built this boutique consulting company, Help for Access, crafted to the exact needs of companies like yours and hundreds of others who have operational risk from the proliferation of legacy Microsoft Access database applications. Over the past 35 years, I've listened to many companies to understand the requirements and how they got where they are today with respect to their Microsoft Access database applications. In this full service offering that we've developed for enterprise support, we apply all the circles of excellence. While for workgroup support, we typically start with support and move on to modernization and migration. We have two levels of support, workgroup and enterprise. Workgroup is for a single business function, while enterprise is across all business functions. When we're doing support, whether it's for the work group level or the enterprise level, we build a list of documents. We build this list of documents to understand this system's existing state. These are living documents which are stored in a central repository and ensure that the business function is not jeopardized. In enterprise level support, we often start in discovery and an assessment circle of excellence. In enterprise support, in the discovery and assessment phase, which is the initial stage, we'll run our specialized tools across the enterprise looking for candidate MS Access database applications. Subsequent phases will traverse the enterprise again, doing deeper dives on the systems identified, then using artificial intelligence will rate the systems from high, medium to low in complexity and critical risk to the organization. Some of the existing case studies that we have available showcase what we found during discovery and assessment. In the case of Safeway, we found 65,000 access databases. And in the case of Blue Shield, we found 800. If you'd like to learn more, please use the QR codes to read the full case study. Once the discovery and assessment is completed, then we can move on to doing support, modernization, and migration for those accounts, for those assets that have been identified. We'll often suggest during training of the staff at your organization that you leverage our solution building blocks. Our solution building blocks are pre-built modules that we can bolt on to existing systems that have been tested and contain a lot of the functions that don't come built into the Microsoft Access out of the box. Some examples include centralized error checking, ad hoc query, and security and navigation. Within our group, we have dedicated technical project managers. We align with your organization, whether you have enterprise architects or solution architects or not. We have them on our side, and so if you don't have someone performing those business functions, we can do that on our side. This screen just shows the possible alignment in when we do engagements with the largest customers. Our project management uses a centralized repository for data storage. This is in Microsoft Teams, where we have standardized a set of folders that make it very easy for you to understand, or anyone to understand, where we are in the project and where are the applicable files, status reports, and project plans. We comply to the highest levels of data security and HIPAA compliance in order to keep our Microsoft Gold partnership. And security is utmost important. That's it. This is what we do to support your Microsoft Access database application ecosystem. We offer support, training, migration services, modernization, and at the end of the day, it all comes to change management and data governance. So please call or send me an email to book time on my calendar, and we look forward to working with you.